Hey guys, welcome back to the Essence of Mohana channel where I do tutorial videos on digital art, graphite joints, and paintings. And today we are finishing up part 3 of my Pim's Cup painting that I'm doing for my Thursday segment. And for all my new viewers that are not familiar with my Thursday segment, it's a segment it's a segment that I do every Wednesday where I draw popular drinks like smoothies, milkshakes, lemonade, boba drinks, and some drinks that we all know and love. So with that being said, if you are interested in those artwork videos, you could go check it out on my Thursday segment for some cool tutorials. By the way, it's not just me drawing, I'm also showing you how to draw it. So you're not gonna just sit there and watch me just drawing for like 10 or 15 minutes, okay? I promise. All right, so let's get started here, where I'm for those that don't know what I'm doing right here today, I'm actually drawing an artwork for my Thursday segment to put in the background. Most of my Thursday segment is, well, all of my Thursday segment is digital artwork, and I wanted to do a physical artwork to place in the background of my Thursday segment whenever I do those videos. So I'm giving you full access to the painting process. If you have not watched part 1 or 2, please go check it out. They're awesome videos, and come back and watch this one. So with that being said, if you love this video so far, please give it a like, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And let's get started. Okay, so in my previous videos, I ended the video with saying that I will be coming back to finish up the details of the drink so I can get finished with this, you know, so I could move on to more work, because sometimes you get caught up in one painting and you're for months and you're like still stuck on this same work. So I don't want to be stuck on this painting for too long. So I am going to add some details, finish up the details today, add a background and all that good stuff, and then you'll see some other videos from me. Well, this Thursday I will be doing a Thursday segment on cucumber water. I'm keeping it like real simple, nothing hectic, so it wouldn't be hard for you guys to follow along with the tutorial. It's very easy, simple artwork just to get your blood flowing. So yeah, let me get started on some of these details. Okay guys, so as you can see, I think I'm doing a great job here. This is the reference photo and this is the painting, so I'm doing a pretty good job. Yeah, I'm actually very proud of myself. I wasn't trying to make it look exactly the same, but you know, it's close enough, you know. So like how I am mostly finished with the details, I'm going to give the minor details a break for now and start working on the background, like get this shadow in get this shadow in right here and get the background color on everything in, just to complete the drawing. So let me get started with that. Okay guys, so I have to admit I'm actually really surprised by how beautiful this thing looks right now, because as an artist sometimes you underestimate your own talent. Sometimes like maybe I can't do this, or maybe I can't do that, but this is really turning out way better than I expected it. And a lot of the times I realize that I do poorly on some of my artwork when I worry a lot, when I feel like I'm not doing it as well as I should, versus when I just completely relax and just flow with my energy instead of trying to control myself all the time. Because I always try to remind myself that art is not perfect. Art is just unique to you. You may think your artwork is like considered a piece of shit, but somebody else might think your art is a freaking iconic, legendary piece, and you're like, this thing, I didn't. So sometimes you gotta just believe in yourself, and sometimes, believing in yourself would allow you to create amazing things versus when you're always like putting pressure on yourself. So I haven't painted like this in a long time, so I decided to, I'm gonna take the relaxed approach, stop trying to get everything perfect, and just enjoy the process. I still know what I'm doing in regards to mixing colors and all of that stuff, and I'm a Virgo, so I try to be a perfectionist on a lot of things that I do, but with my artwork, I'm trying to dial it down a notch, and ever since I've been testing that theory, I've been coming out with a lot more amazing work versus just trying to get everything perfect all the time. So just wanted to share this bit. However, I'm very excited with how it looks right now. I'm going to finish up on the background and specifically this area right here, and then I will finish up with some minor details, and then I will close out this amazing artwork. I don't think I'll be doing a part 4. As you can see, I'm almost finished, so no need for a part 4. And let's get to it. Okay guys, so I am all done. This is my farewell video to you guys for the Pim's Cup ginger ale painting on wood. So I just have one more surprise that I wanted to do. So this painting is basically dry right now, so I'm gonna flip it over on the back, and I'm going to stamp it with my Essence of Mohana logo that I got from Zazzle, by the way. So this is my color block archival ink, acid free Wicked Black from Zazzle. So I'm gonna squeeze that in there. Pow. Just want to get it all covered, just like this. Squeeze it some more. Let me just do it some more because I really don't want it to be like, all right, then I'm gonna place it on the center right here. And I'm gonna press. Bow! And that is the final touch. Whew! This is amazing. And what I would do with this painting is I would sign the back with a pen, an ink pen. But right now, I'm just gonna leave it unsigned because this is a painting. I am so excited. Okay guys, so as I said, this is my farewell video. Thank you so much for watching part 1, 2, and 3. And I will see you again in my Thursday segment, which I will be posting Wednesday at, I don't have a particular time, but look out for that video. Turn on your notification bells and click the subscribe button. Like this video, comment, share, and I'll see you again soon.